Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. You guys want to know the most annoying, weirdest feeling is ever? When you get out of the shower and you are so confident in that shirt you're putting it on, and that sucker goes on backwards. It just like chokes you. Yeah, that happened to me this morning. I just got to be real. That was such an awkward, weird feeling to wake up on. It's like putting your shoes on backwards, but your shirt just strangles you. All right, let's take a look at price action this morning. I was looking at the 1 minute time frame, you guys. Take a look at this. Look at the craziness that's going on here. Talk about no action in like Wick City over here. So I'm going to do this. I'm going the 3 minute time frame, right? We're going 3 minute. Slow things down. Now, what am I going to do too? I'm literally going to be drawing out exactly where I have support and resistance. Let's do it together. Rectangle, top, bottom, ring it over. There we go. You guys see that? If we're having Wick City up to the top and the bottom, that's my box. I'm then going to wait for the metrics to be able to push higher or lower. Well, what's happening right now? Red background, red strong candle to the downside, breaking below. We've got about 39 seconds left. If this wants to push even lower, it's going to push lower and it's going to come down. Trade copiers on. All I'm going to be looking at now, you guys take a look left. This was the exact level of support, right? So you could almost even draw this out and say, all right, any break that's below here should be a good indication that we could head lower. Well, just use the metrics. Once you have your box, do not just use the box for, okay, a break's going to be a break, but use your metrics. If everything is now red, 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 we got 9 seconds left. Well, could we see a push to the downside? Absolutely, we definitely could. So what I might do here in a second is sell the market and enter into this sucker because it looks like we're going to be going lower. So let's do this together. Profit wave is stacked. You guys see that? Brighter color on the bottom and more faint on the top. This is where we could see a continuation. Now, when you have your boxes like this and you have a strong levels of support, right? This is where bounces can a lot of times affect the position and shoot back up. Well, what are we getting? We're getting a bounce. So something that you can look at is this is your breaking candle. Wait for your second candle to break down even further. And then once this closes, then look for a continuation. Because sometimes you're going to get candles like this that just want to shoot straight up to the upside and you're going to get stopped out. Or you're going to be like, gosh, that was a huge risk to reward ratio, right? So that's what I'm looking at. So right now, I'm just not going to do anything. If this candle does close, though, I'll tell you this, though. If this candle closes, this is our inverse candle that we could be playing to the upside, and I could be running it up, right? But since nothing right here is looking to be that way, I don't really want to play anything. And if we were to go down again, let's just go to the 1 minute time frame. Let's get a better look at what's going on. We're going to spread this out and see what's happening. This is a strong candle. I do like this. You know, if we can get a break above this level, here, let's go do this. We got to have our trade copier on. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to do a buy market. Excuse me. We're going to do one right here. If price action ends up coming above this, I want to see this as my reversal candle playing to the upside. And if not, totally fine. I'm going to wait for this to break down lower, a confirmation candle going lower, and then I'll get out of it. At any point that I end up having the ability to be my stop loss to break even or just above, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So that order is in and placed. This does look like it's actually even coming down a little bit lower here, which is really nice. We got 6 seconds left here. I'm going to end up closing this out. Yep. I don't like that. I love this as a continuation. A break below here would be a great spot to be looking to go short, which would confirm the entry to the downside. And that would break through. I'm going to go and enter in right now. We have all this in here. Gosh, it's moving quick this morning. There is 200. There we go. Push further. There is 400. Move my stop to break even. There's $600. I'm going to trail this. I'm trailing. There we go. That's 600. That's 700. There we go. $700. Let's get this out of here. There we go. Done. $700 and done right in front of you. That's a continuation candle right there. I'm going to check real quick, guys, on Tradovate just to make sure nothing else is open. There you go. You guys can see the counts. This is awesome. Ended up doing about $1,500 last night on another account. Awesome, guys. There it is, right done in front of you, drawn out with our box. So why did I enter that trade and capitalize on that so quick this morning? Boxes is drawn here. Let's just go back real quick. I'm just gonna make this a good education video, right? Here we go. 3-minute time frame because the 1 minute was too crazy up and down, right? Marking the low, marking the high, looking left. This was support. I then went down to the 1 minute time frame. Boop. 1 minute time frame. And what did I say? I actually had a limit order placed for where? Now we're getting a sell signal off that candle. Awesome. I had a limit order placed on this candle if we had a break above. Did we break above? No. So overall, this is your pullback into the profit wave. You guys always hear me talk about that. This candle right here is your continuational candle into the break of this, which ended up playing down. Right when you can move your stop to break even, do it, and then trail your stop. Bing, 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 bing. If it hits you out and stops you back up on the way up, totally fine. If not, then it comes down, you make $600 to $700, just like that this morning. So guys, right now, these metrics, all of this is available for you guys. NinjaTrader and TradingView does have Black Friday on this, right? NinjaTrader, TradingView, just want to show you that. The biggest thing that I'm doing for you guys, which I've seen a lot of value in, I'm getting a lot of positive emails, is I am personally paying you guys to join Ron, one of my affiliates, every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in a live trading session. Now, how does this work? This is normally $99 a month. I am literally going to be giving you a coupon code to draw this down to literally 99 cents. 99% off on me. I am still paying Ron. I am not taking anything from this because I want you guys to see the success that many others are having. Now, the way to get on this is when you go over to Take Profit Trader and you end up doing 5 50K accounts, shoot me a screenshot that looks like this of all your accounts to my email. But you have to use the promo code either MyFutureSuccess, which will give you the absolute rock bottom prices on everything, or just click this link that you guys will see in the description of this video. And when you do that, not only will I add you onto the free calls that I do every first and third Friday, guess what? This Friday is the next call. I'll be doing a free call this Friday, probably an hour and a half long with myself and 30 other traders showing exactly what I do to get my accounts from eval to pro to payout. This is for life. You grab 550K accounts through TPT, I add you onto these calls for life. In addition, I am now paying you guys for 1 month, basically almost completely free for 99 cents to join Ron for 12 live trading sessions to see exactly the success that so many others are having. And there you go. Another trade done this morning. Everything confirmed. Market's still dropping off. All right, guys. Hope you had a great day. Hope you found education in this video. Everything's red. Red, red, red. Profit wave is stacked. Everything's to the downside. If you see red, go short, make some money. Take care, guys.